Hi everyone, Sambat here. Today we will go through unboxing of Celestron 9.25-inch EdgeHD telescope. This is a continuation of a series of videos. If you haven't watched the part 1, I will leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's go. Alright, I have the Celestron package on the floor. I will actually show you guys at the end of the video what parts came with it. For now, I will speed up the video so that you don't have to watch me unrolling everything from the package. Okay, after unboxing everything, here's what we got. 9x50 finder. This is improvement from a Celestron EdgeHD. A 2-inch diagonal instead of 1.5 inch. That's great. 23 mm fully coated eyepiece. That's also great. And the finder scope holder. That's good. And the manual. The scope itself comes with the lid on the top, and also you can see there is a handle at the bottom, which is nice to have, and when you're lifting, it's also very good. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will go through attaching the telescope to the mount and doing the alignment. See you in the next video.